Hi, to enable and disable activity tracking on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, let's wake up the watch, and now we need to press and hold this down button for a couple of seconds till we could see this list appears on the screen. Here, select Settings just by tapping it, and then go in this option, Activity Tracking. So now just go in Auto Activity Start, and here enable it so that watch will be able to automatically start workout when it detects that you are running or walking. Just tap on the switcher to enable, but notice that this setting will reduce battery life. After that, you can select period of time for walk. So we got here 5, 10 and 15 minutes, or we can disable it and do just the same for run. We got 1, 2 and 3 minutes. So that workout will be automatically enabled after 5 minutes of walking and 1 minute of running. And to disable this feature, just tap on it like that, so the status will be off now. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.